have some more baby ducks and baby chickens here, and what I did a little bit different, I put them together. And like the baby ducks that I had before, they were kind of on their own. But what's kind of nice about this is that these guys are going to be like a part of each other's flock. In other words, because they bonded so little, the chickens and the ducks, when they get to be adults, they're going to hang out more. And there they go. There's my 3 roosters pooping all over my garage. But hey, you know what? At 5:30 in the morning, I would much rather them cock-a-doodle-doo in here. Oh boy, what a mess. There's their food. They just spill it all over the floor. And that's their little perch bar. Been in here for about maybe 4 days, 5 days. It's been a couple days. No, the first day that I put them out here, they just were on that thing for the whole day. They were scared. But I think they've made themselves quite at home now with, you know, all the poop all over my garage. I'm gonna mail them to a friend. Now, I went all day looking for boxes. I found a couple. The only thing is I have to call the post office to make sure, because I don't want these guys sitting in a box longer than they have to. So I'm actually gonna call the post office. They open up in about 10 minutes and find out when their big shipment, or I don't know, big trucks come and take their mail. That way they're not sitting at the post office all day. So I'm gonna do that. After I do that and find out the exact time, I'm gonna pack them up. You're gonna watch me pack them up, and I'm gonna send them out. Trying to get the cock-a-doodle-doo. I've been in contact with my friends, and they actually were really sad recently because this chicken that they had here that looks a lot like mine, which happens to be an Americana, they had to get rid of him because he was a rooster too. Now, I'm not sure if this is why they purchased some land and a house, so that, I mean, they had to get rid of that rooster, and they want to get more chickens in the future, so they bought a house with some land and they close on it soon. So I feel the best home possible for my little roosters is to my friends Ryan and Danielle. I've raised these guys since they were little babies, so I'm kind of cautious to where I send them as far as a home. Like, I mean, if I put them on Craigslist and somebody calls me, it could be somebody that wants to maybe cook them for dinner. The list is really long on Craigslist for free roosters because obviously the same thing happened to other people. They went to the store, got a bunch of hens, and ended up getting a couple roosters in there that they're not allowed to have. All right, I just got off the phone with the post office, and I thought that their big shipments, you know, when they bring their trucks and they take them out to like the airplanes and stuff, well, supposedly they are coming around 5:30 or so. I thought they'd come in the morning, but I guess it makes sense. They got to get the mail that comes to the post office and they take it out at the end of the day. So I'm gonna let them run around. I'm actually gonna let them run around with my other chickens for the day, have some playtime, and they can get their tummies full, right? You guys can eat really good, and then that way, because you're not allowed to put food in the boxes. So let's let them free into the wild. Hey! It's the last time you get to hang out ever. I haven't seen them in like a week. Oh, he's horny, boy. Look at him. He's trying to get some. Okay, you know what? I don't know if I showed you the box that I got for, these guys, you know, and they say not to put any water or food in there, and that's why it was nice that the pickup is later on today, because I let them outside and they got to eat and drink all day long. There's some pine shavings in there, and that's about it. That's just to give them a little comfy space. Hi, little guy. Oh man, it's dark in there. Poor little thing. And this is Mandy, and this is Sandy. And I don't know why I gave him those. Oh, I know why I gave this one Mandy, because she was starting to look like a rooster until she ended up a rooster. But his name's still Mandy, I guess. Right, Mandy? Yep. He's a little cock-a-doodle-doo, man. This guy right here is Sandy, I was chasing him for about 20 minutes outside right now with 2 other chickens, him and the other one. Boy, he was a pain in the little butt, man. He was fast too. He was flying everywhere. So if you are watching this video and your name happens to be Danielle and Ryan, and I sent you these chickens, make sure you cut their wings. Something that I do very often, just so it doesn't encourage them flying, you know. Now, one thing I did for their little boxes is I took like the bottom flaps here and I taped it, almost kind of making a little bed for them. So, you know, hey! I gotta go chase this guy here in a second. It's gonna be so much fun. Come here. Come here. We're gonna go for a ride. Come here. Don't go nowhere. Hey. I'm gonna cook you for dinner. Wow, huge scare right now. As I was trying to get this little guy, I dropped my camera on the concrete, and it's probably the hardest I've ever dropped the camera. Other than a phone, I don't think phones count, but yeah, a camera. Well, this is where Shy's gonna be spending the next couple hours. Hopefully he's there by tomorrow morning. Say bye. Bye. Say bye to the birds. Well, I don't know if they can hear you in these boxes here. I have to get there like, oh gosh, within 20 minutes. I don't know who I was speaking with on the phone that said that they closed at 7 o'clock. Yeah, guess what? They close at 4 o'clock. So, yeah, I'm a little upset right now that they're not open, and it's 5. Even though they said that they were going to be open at 7. Oh, I'm thinking maybe there's another post office. Guess I'll find out. Hi, Peggy. I spoke with you a little earlier about sending some birds in the mail, and where is your post office located? Ah, okay, so I came to the wrong one. All right, so I was a little scared. I guess I'm not gonna speak until these guys are actually in the post office, stamped, ready to go. I'm not gonna get all excited yet. Worst case scenario, I'm gonna have to take them out of the box and repackage them again. I don't want to do that because it'll kind of mess up the structure of the box a little bit, and I'll have to maybe get new boxes, which, you know, that's just a pain in the butt to do that. I spent a lot of time packing these guys up. I got a little bit nervous because they were kind of asking me, hey, what kind of birds are in here? And I don't think people send chickens in the mail very often. So I was like, pigeons! I got pigeons! This little girl was like asking me too, and her mom, and they were like so excited that there was birds in there. And then, you know, my birds are in the box going, bark, 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 bark. Those are interesting sounding pigeons. Well, as I'm leaving right now and I got everything paid for, and they were even asking me, you know, what kind of birds are here? I was like, yeah, pigeons. I hear a cock-a-doodle-doo. So I already paid, and they were ready to go. So see you later. I hope they take really good care of my birds, because I'd be devastated if something bad happened to them. I got charged pretty good too. It was like $100 to send both of those boxes. Which, you know what, that's not a lot of money, with having that peace of mind that they're going to be there at the very latest, not tomorrow, but the next day in the afternoon, early in the afternoon. So, you know, they might go a day without eating, worst case scenario, but when they see breathing holes and fragile birds and it's an overnight delivery, it'll be there tomorrow. It's going to be there probably tomorrow in the afternoon, or maybe late at night. I don't know.
Bye-bye.
Guess what came in the mail today?
Chickens! Chickens! I want to go see them.
We gotta go get them. In the mail.
Open the store. Ow! It burned my arm. Chickens.
There's 2 little mini ones in one of those boxes.
One's pecking at this box. Yeah, there's like.
Hey, are they chickens?
Yeah, who are they from?
Oh, from Omar, gosh.
All set?
Thank you.
I'm gonna be
Bye.
careful with them.
Bye.
Bye.
I feel their little feet vibration. Oh, they're knocking around the box.
Were we taking them home?
Yes, we are taking them home.
Yeah, we are.
Okay. We got the package from you, Omar, gosh, and now we're gonna open it.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Okay, we're gonna do this one first. Can I? Oh,
Why don't you get up on the table?
okay. Watch out, Jacob.
I'm gonna get up on the table.
Oh, I see.
Okay. We're gonna open it.
Carefully slice down the side. This should be Sandy and Mandy.
Okay. Can I do it? Can I open it all the way?
Let's make sure it's something else. Okay, try opening it. There's chickens!
Yeah.
Hi, chickies!
Hi, chickies. Hey, look. Chickies.
Look at their big eyes.
Sandy and Mandy. You guys want to come out?
Hi, Sandy. Hi, Mandy.
Hi, Sandy. Hi, Mandy.
I bet there's gonna be a lot of poops in there.
Maybe. I don't know how to get in there.
Ew, you're stinky.
Oh, let's see.
Wait.
Can you just pull it out of there?
I don't think you can.
Hi!
Look. Hi.
Oh my goodness, they're so cute. Look how small they are. Here, hold the box. Hold the box while I pull it out. Hi, guys!
Hi.
Hi! Here, let's get Shy out. Aren't they cute?
Okay, now we're gonna get out Shy.
Yeah, shy.
And be careful. Jacob, want to pet him?
Yeah. You're meow. You're me.
Wait. Okay, oh my gosh. We're now gonna open Shy up. Open up the box for Shy.
Shy.
Okay,
Is it only
wait, let
just
me do-
shy?
Mom, let me do it.
Only just shy the chicken? What sugar? I can't believe we got a new chicken.
Oh, there's already a turd. They've been holding it. Oh, wait, no. Can I open the box?
Why did they look backwards?
Look at her.
I don't see ya.
No, Jacob. I meant look at her. She had her wings up.
Oh, now we're getting somewhere.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. Okay, Mom? Mom, be careful. It's a chicken.
I can see where the cardboard
I
is.
can see the chicken. I can see Shy.
Whoop, let's do this side. Here.
Wait, is there another chicken? Are there two? Or just one?
You did it. Who is it? It's Shy.
It looks just like
Oh
Anna.
my gosh, it looks exactly like
I
Anna.
want to
Look
see.
at her eyes. Who does that look like?
Shy.
Hi, Shy. Come on out.
She sounds exactly like the other chickens.
Whoa.
She's bigger than all of them.
You're tall.
Hi, Shy. You're a little bit smaller than Anna.
Oh, you are Shy. Hi. Look.
Oh, there.
You had your wings clipped.
She made a messy turn right here.
Woo!
Oh.
Knocked a bird down.
Bowling. Ew. Come
here.
Mom, look at that poop.
We'll clean it up.
Oh no, get her before she poops on the table. On the floor.
Sandy or Mandy? Ouch.
You probably need some
so
water.
Look,
cute.
her mouth is open. Her mouth is
Oh
open.
yeah, they're thirsty. Let's get you guys something to drink.
I think Omar said there was a package in underneath Shy.
Am I reading it?
Sure.
It says, "Hey friends, I wanted to send you my
Roosters slash chickens because I know that they are going to the best possible home other than mine. We also packed you a few small stupid things, LOL. We appreciate you guys supporting our YouTube channel.
and also sending us some cool things in the mail. I put my autograph on a business card and hope it's worth $100,000 in a few years because it's not worth anything but a few rubber bands, if that. I hope Shy, Sandy, and Mandy make you guys, as well as your girls, happy for many years. Maybe we can see them again one day when we visit Colorado. Your friend for life, Omar Gosh."
All right.
Thank you. Thank you so much for all these chickens.
Mom, look
All
what
these
stuff's
roosters.
on.
They're so cute.